Hello, my name's Ian and welcome to the Scale Model Shed. This week I'm doing a bit of an unboxing video. I've bought myself a model of the Orca boat, which was the boat that was in Jaws. It's a wooden kit. It's going to be about 5 foot long when built. It's going to be radio controlled and it's going to be painted and weathered as the boat in the film. Jaws came out 50 years ago this year. America came out a month or so ago, so June 75 came out. We didn't get it in the UK until Christmas 75, and I went to see it with my nan. She took me to see it between Christmas and New Year 1975, one of the first days of release in the UK. I remember the cinema being packed, and that scene when the head appeared. Well, I remember the reaction to this day. Anyway, my nan took me to see all the films. We went to pictures all the time. She took me to see everything. Ironically or sadly, that was the last time. She did take me to see the cinema. So it would be nice if we could get the boat built out and on the lake for 27th, 28th of December. That would be, for me, 50 years almost to the day since I saw the film. So that'd be nice. It's a big build. It's a big job. So what you're going to see today is just the unboxing of the parts. Yeah, it's going to take a long time to build this, but it'll be great. It'll be good fun, and I think I've got to find somewhere to keep it. So that's it. Hope you enjoy.